Alright everybody, it is Easter Sunday, and I want to show you something. It's the garage door right here. And here is the garage door opening itself. See? It is battery backup, but what we're going to do today is test out the battery backup feature on it. What we're going to want to do is come to the fuse box, look at garage lights, which is 9B. See? Everything goes out. Except for these things, of course. Look. It's out. Light won't turn on. See? See? Listen to that. I'll just close it now. I close it pretty slowly. See? Now we're going to turn the breaker back on. It turns on like normal. Okay, so that is a look at the LiftMaster garage door opening battery backup feature. Thank you for watching, and that is it.